Let's take a look at the sources of performance data. Performance management is the process to ensure the organization connects mission with the work of its employees. Because supervisors are ultimately responsible for the performance of the employees they oversee, it's logical that they would be a key source of performance data. Indeed, supervisors are often in a good position to provide this data. However, as we'll explain, this depends on the opportunities they have to observe their employees perform. In a teamwork environment, or when employees perform interdependent tasks and have related responsibilities, their peers often are in a unique position to comment on certain aspects of their performance. A self-appraisal occurs when an employee evaluates his or her own performance. People are generally very aware of how they're doing in their jobs on a daily basis. As a result, self-appraisals can be a useful source of data. Many jobs and organizations require the supervision and oversight of others. In these positions, it's important to assess how well the supervisor is doing in terms of managing his or her own employees. Another source of performance data is to ask subordinates to rate their supervisors. Employees' customers are a good source of performance data. Because customer satisfaction is a critical determinant of company success, it makes sense to ask customers for input. As you've learned, there are many different sources of performance data, each with advantages and disadvantages. In an attempt to try to capture all of the relevant data from different sources, some organizations use a 360-degree approach, which involves generating performance data from as many sources as possible: supervisors, peers, subordinates, and customers. As you can imagine, however, sorting through all that performance data can be cumbersome.